Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile with a PS5 controller. First, ensure your iPad's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, put your PS5 controller into its pairing mode by holding the PlayStation button and the Share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes. Finally, open your iPad's Bluetooth settings and select the DualSense wireless controller to connect. Once connected, launch Call of Duty Mobile. Head into the game's settings menu and find the controller tab. Here, you can fine-tune your experience. Adjust button mapping to your preference, modify aiming sensitivity for precision, and explore other options to create a comfortable and effective control scheme tailored just for you. To truly master playing with a controller, spend some time in the training mode. This allows you to get a feel for the new controls without the pressure of live matches. Don't be afraid to experiment with various button layouts and sensitivity settings. Finding your sweet spot will significantly improve your accuracy and overall performance in-game. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your iPad and the PS5 controller. Also, ensure both your game and iPad operating system are updated to their latest versions. Using a controller offers significant advantages, including enhanced precision, more comfortable gameplay during longer sessions, and a more immersive experience compared to touch controls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.